If you're seeing a OneDrive Personal Vault error, don't worry. This is usually caused by a sign-in problem, a browser issue, or a temporary Microsoft service glitch. In this video, I'll walk you through the easiest fixes step by step so you can get Personal Vault working again as quickly as possible. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech fixes like this. Let's start with the first and most common fix: sign out and sign back in. Open OneDrive in your browser and click your profile picture in the corner. From there, choose Sign Out. Once you've signed out, close the browser completely, then open it again and sign back in to your OneDrive account. After that, try opening Personal Vault again. In many cases, this simple refresh is enough to clear the error and restore access. If that doesn't work, the next step is to verify your identity again. Open OneDrive, click Personal Vault, and if you see the prompt, select Verify Your Identity. Follow the verification process all the way through. This step is important because Personal Vault is designed with extra security, so if Microsoft thinks your session is not fully verified, it may block access until you confirm your identity again. Once verification is complete, try opening Personal Vault one more time. Now let's try opening OneDrive in a private window. If you're using Chrome, press Ctrl, Shift, and N on your keyboard to open an incognito window. Then go to OneDrive, sign in to your account, and test Personal Vault again. A private window helps because it avoids old cookies, saved session data, and browser extensions that might be interfering with the Vault opening properly. If the Vault works here, the issue is very likely related to your normal browser session. If you still have the error, clear your browser cache. In Chrome, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete to open the Clear Browsing Data menu. Set the time range to all time, then make sure cookies and other site data is checked, along with cached images and files. After that, click Delete Data. When the cleanup finishes, sign back into OneDrive and try Personal Vault again. Old cache files can sometimes cause sign-in conflicts, so clearing them often fixes stubborn OneDrive problems. If the error continues after all of that, it may simply be temporary on Microsoft's side. In that case, wait a little while and try again later, because service-side issues can affect Personal Vault access even when nothing is wrong with your device. If you're on a work or school account, it's also worth checking whether your organization has any security restrictions that could be affecting the Vault. By now, one of these steps should have fixed the OneDrive Personal Vault error. The key things to remember are to refresh your sign-in, re-verify your identity, test in a private window, and clear your browser cache if needed. These simple troubleshooting steps solve most Personal Vault issues without needing any advanced tools. If this video helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more quick tutorials and easy tech fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.